Okay, so let's start with the lab of part 1 using the Kibana to learn about the malware exploit. Okay, so we in part 1 use Kibana to answer the following question to help you get started. You are informed that the attack took place at some time during January 2017. You need to pinpoint the exact date. Okay, we need to find this date, which is 2017 January. Okay, so the first step is we going to narrow the time frame. In we need to log on. We need to log into Security Onion. Okay, by this username and the password given. Then we gonna to use Kibana. Okay, as well as this password and username already given here. So we need to use the absolute time range to narrow the log data in January 2017, but exactly the from January 2017. So we're going to log on first. So this is our security onion. We're gonna start. So minimize this first. Okay, so this is our security onion startup logon BIOS. Okay, so we will just wait until the startup process done. Okay, okay, there's a password from my OS because I'm using a Mac. So if you're using the Windows, it might not request the password. As well as I'm using the VMware Fusion. Um, there's some different with VirtualBox if you are using VirtualBox, but it's okay. You just need to fire up this security onion. That's all. I'm just going to use this security onion. So this username have been provided to us is analyst, and the password is Cyberops. Okay. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay. So our log on done. Okay. So second is after login the security onion, we go to Kibana where the desktop already here. The shortcut for Kibana. Actually, this Kibana is already connected to the website that we need to get the resource, the web malware traffic NOC.net. So the Kibana already connected. If you are configure the security onion, get the access. Okay. So we need to keep refresh the page until we get the access. It's okay. Okay, so here I will log in to the website of our resource. Okay, um, it's quite um, connection is not very good, but we need keep to refresh until we get the access to the web. Um, it's quite slow to access. Might be my connection or the server connection. Just wait. Okay, good. So we gone through the access to the dashboard. So this is we still waiting for the full dashboard view. Okay, so yeah, okay, we still loading. You can see the bar is still moving here. It's need to some data still loading. So overall, this is the dashboard for Kibana, which is we have already connected to the malware analysis. Okay, so we have to malware traffic analysis.net. Um, so we go to the second step in the B part of step 1, which is we're going to absolute time range. We're going to select absolute time range to narrow the focus. We're gonna take the log from data in from January 27, where we can get the where would the date have attack have been done. Okay, so we gonna use this um, date here. We click on that, we can find the absolute time range. Okay, then we change to the year where the attack have been happened here, 2017, and from January, then we choose 1st January as started date. Then we going to narrow the timeline, so we change to until 2017 as well, but we okay, yeah, 17, and then we choose December as last date, 31st. Okay, so there's a go button here. uh, it's hiding it's hiding from my webcam windows. So we click go, then we wait for the result appear to the dashboard. So I move here once again. Okay, you just wait, the bar is still loading, and you should be have numbers here, numbers of log have been recorded the attack, and there's a bar should be here. So we just wait for the loading the data. Yeah, that's the number of log we just found. Okay, so we need to get the narrow of log on specific January. Okay, so we gonna drag, okay, by this the C part. Okay, you will see a graph. Okay, there's a graph, a single entry showing. To view more detail, you need to narrow the amount of time that is displayed. Narrow the time range in the total log count over time visualization by clicking and dragging. Okay, to select an area around the graph, okay, data point, you need to repeat this process until you see the detail in the graph. Okay, so what we need to do is we can see there are a few dates here. This is April, this is July, so we need to find in the January. So I'm going to get this bigger. Okay, so we just need to select for the January happen. In January, we just click and drag here, and we found the date of, okay, that's the February, second month. Okay, yeah, we found the date January 2017, which is fall on, okay, okay, I need to move here once again. There's a date 29th January. Okay, so we need to select this date. We need to select this date until we get the bigger viewer in that timeline. Okay, we found the point here, but there's not the data we want exactly. We need to drag until we see a graph. Okay, we found there's some graph spiking, but we need to get the, yeah, here we have found the activities. Okay, we can see here there's n activities have been happened in a few minutes. Okay, so I change back to the normal size dashboard. Okay, so what we need to do is okay, locate the next step. The second step is locate the event in Kibana. So we need to find the event. What happened to the graph? Okay, so after narrowing the time range in the Kibana dashboard, go to NIDS alert dashboard, data dashboard by clicking NIDS. So as we mentioned before, the data was captured by NIDS. So we go back to our security onion. So here is the NIDS. So we click here. So we wait until we have the data and the event is below. So the next step B in second step, step 2, we need to zoom in the event by clicking and dragging NIDS alert. Okay, so we need to get some more focus in the timeline. So until you display resemble the one below. Okay, so it might be like this. So we show, okay, so here our NIDS alert system function here, the features. So we need to drag some more as the step as mentioned. You can full screen for easy to see, or okay, so I change this. Okay, we need to drag some more until we get a good view of data was happened. I think might good it might good view some more. I try narrow some more. Yeah, okay, it's already done. Okay, it will be enough. Okay, so we can see that some data we have in the dashboard. We can see here there's a count for the classification of attack. There's Trojan activities. There's alert categories. But we need to do is click the first point in C. We need to click the first point on the timeline to filter for only the first event. Okay, so we go back to the graph. Then we see the first point. Just click there. Okay, we click there. So we change the graph just in that minutes. Okay, we can see it start from 22:54 hours 42 seconds until, yeah, it is and after 22:54 42 second 0.8. Okay, they start between this time. So we gonna do the next step is now view detail for the events that accurate at the time. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the dashboard until you see the NIDS alerts section in this page. So expand the first event by clicking the pointer arrow that is to the left of the timestamp. Okay, so we need to find this alert NIDS dashboard. We just select for the first time event. Okay, the first event was happened. So we need to find the detail here. We're going to scroll. So this is alert summary. We need to find the alerts and the IDS alert. Okay, here this is the alert as needed. So this is an IDS alert. So we just find the detail in the first timestamp. Okay. So here the detail here below. So what we need to do is answer this question. What is time of the first detected NIDS alert in Kibana? So we can see here the time was happened in January 27 27th of 2017 was started by at 22:54 43 seconds. Okay, so we can write here. So I'm going to use the Adobe edits field. So I'm going to type here. So January is what actually. Okay, January. January 27th of 2017. The time is 22:54 43 second. Okay, that's the okay. I'm going to choose the red one here. Okay, so that's the answer. It happened at night. Okay, so the next question we need to answer: what is the source IP address in the alert? So the source IP address. The source IP address. We find the source IP address. Scroll down until we found the source IP. So this is the source IP. Here we need to take the IP address 172.16.4.9193. So we record here 172.16.4.193. Yeah. Okay. What is this destination IP address in the alert? Destination. So we find the destination. Destination is up here. Destination IP is 194.87.234.129. So we found, yeah, 194.87.234.129. So it should be same as mentioned here. Okay, so the next one is, what is destination port in the alert? What the service is? Okay, destination port. Alert have been detected at destination port 80. Destination, there's a port, and the port is 80. 80. Port is 80. And also, as we know, the port 80 is used by HTTP. Equal like the answer here. It should be same. Okay. So what is the classification of the alert? Classification of this alert. So we find the classification. So the classification, okay, there's already at the bottom. Went up. So this is the classification, is a Trojan activity. So we record here, there is a Trojan activity. Trojan activity. There. Okay. Okay, so we continue in the lab question. So I just want to recap the last question we have answer. Where is the destination geo country name? Okay, so if we follow the destination geo dot location, if you can find here in the detail, we can take this coordinates, we can put in Google, maybe we can find somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Let's put it long. Yeah. Okay. So we can see here this coordinate is belong to Europe. Um, specific specific place. If we can click here. Yeah, the country name is Russia. So it's in your region. Yeah, it locate at Moscow. Yeah, so we confirm. We have confirmed here. So we can answer that this is confirm that the answer is Russia. So we go to the next question. In a web browser on a computer that can connected to the internet, go to the link. Sorry. Go to the link that is provided in the signature info field of the alert. Okay, this will take you to the emerging threats snot alert rule for the exploit. Sorry. There is a series of rules shown. This is because signature can be changed over time, or new and more accurate rules are developed. The newest rule is at the top of the page. Examine the detail of the rules. Okay, so we go to the next activity, which is web browser on a computer that can be connected to the internet. Go to the link provided in the signature field. So we can find here the question need want to us go to signature info field of the alerts. So where is field of the alerts? Signature info. Where is signature info? You can find here. Yeah, there is signature info. We just click here. It will go direct to the web page. So the question is, what is the malware family for this event? So if you can see here, there's a message et current. So events RIGEK this is the first. Yeah, so we can find in the alerts here. Yes, there's a more below. So malware family, yeah, this is we want, as the questions mentioned, malware family for this event. So malware family, the current event is malware family name exploit kit RIG. Okay, we need this. We can copy here. I will try to put here answer. No, maybe we can type X. Come on. Exploit underscore kit underscore RIG. So next, show something here. Okay. The next question is, what is the severity of exploit? Severity of the exploit. Severity. Yeah, you can find here signature severity is major. Major. Yeah, this is major. So we can type here major. Okay, we can change to the right as our answer. Next is, what is exploit kit? Short form is EK. Search in the internet. Okay, this question is more general, so we can find the answer from Google. Yeah, so the answer want us to find in the internet. We just type in Google, what is exploit kit? So from website Paulo Auto Network. Yeah, Paulo Auto Network. Or in wiki. Yeah, you just can check from wiki directly. I think I want to choose from here, pauloautonetwork.com. Exploit kit are automate threats that use compromised site to divide web traffic, scan for vulnerable browser-based application, and run malware. Exploit kits are developed as many way to automatically and silently exploit a vulnerable team while browsing. Okay, I think this is good, quite enough for us to understand. So we can put here. Yeah, change to the red as our answer. Okay, go to the next question. View the transcript me on step 3. Okay, here we go. Step 3 for the part 1. A, click the alert ID value. You can pivot to me, to inspect the transcription of the event. So we can use, yeah, you want to show this me alerts. So we can go to the, what we need to do is, you can pivot to me inspect the transcription of the event. That's all, I think, the transcript. Okay, so they want us to capture this me. So we go back to the security onion. We can close this, others as well. Okay, so we go to ID. Where is ID? Yeah, this is ID. Yeah. Okay, we generate the report. Okay, so this is our answer here. We should print screen this alert. Not all. We just take from the above until here, maybe. Yeah. So we put here, we answer. Then we get to the question. What website did the user intend to connect to? So because of EK exploit kit scanning the web browser vulnerabilities, so it will scan the web browser, the targeted web browser. So we can check here. You can check here the web browser. You can find fingerprint. Yeah. Yeah. This is the web browser. Homeimprovement.com. www.homeimprovement.com. So is it correct for the answer? Yeah, it is the homeimprovement.com. Homeimprovement.com. So go to the next question. What URL did the browser refer the user to? So URL did the browser refer to user. Refer to the user. Yeah, the user, it means the host, is referred to tyu.bandme.com. So that's the user. That's me, the user. tyu.bandme.com. Is it? Yeah. So change color. Okay. What others question? Close the cap. Okay, so the command need us to close the cat browser, cat me browser tab. From the top of the NIDS alert dashboard, click HTTP entry located under Zik hunting heading. NIDS dashboard should be look like this. Then we go to HTTP here. In Zik hunting, there is a button for HTTP here. You can see. Okay. Click that HTTP. So we go to another dashboard for Zik dashboard. It's about HTTP log. Then what we need to do is, in the HTTP dashboard, verify that you are absolute time range including 2017 January 27 2254 32nd hours. Okay, and to 2017 January 27 22:56 hours. So we go to the, yeah, so we can check here. We shoot on 42, so we should be 30, and 43 it should be 56. Okay, we should change it. We can change here absolute time, which is 22:54:43 hours. Yeah, 30, sorry. Okay, and we change to date is hours, 22:56 hours, 22:56 hours. Okay, so I click go. Date is already saved. Just click go. What we have here, we check the next step. Scroll down to the HTTP site section of dashboard. Okay, what are some of website are listed, so we can check. We can see from the, yeah, scroll down. You can find the website. Where is the website? Scroll more. Yeah, it is not. Yeah, this is HTTP site. Here are all the website already have been attacked by the exploit kit. If we can check the answer here, should be same. Yeah. So we can use the capture screen. I think we can capture this. Just capture this. Yeah. And we can answer here. Oh, come on. It's gone already. Yeah. Okay, we can put it later. Okay. So okay, so the next question is, we should know some of this website from the transcript that we read earlier. No, not all of the website that are shown are part of the exploit campaign. Research the URLs by searching from them on the internet. Do not connect to them. Place the URL in code when you do your search. Place in code. Which of the site likely part of exploit campaign? So we can we need to search one by one. Oh, yeah. Or we can click. No, we cannot click. We need to place the URL in quotes when you are do this search. So we need to use the URL. No, okay. So we need to use quotes. Okay, so we have list all the website that we have get from the HTTP site dashboard. There are two pages here. Okay, so we answer the next question, which is it needs us to research all the URLs by searching from them to internet. For them, what we need to find is the something weird on the link of the website, all the website here that we found in the HTTP site. So we need to search one by one. So I choose for example here, which looks like it's a vulnerabilities, and the link is not a good link. So I try to choose this one. Okay, so if you can see here, the link will be the result of search will show there's a report about the link. It was detected. There's a malware link. Okay, there's a malware link where other scanner of a website have been reported. So there's a lot of report here. So as well as others. So I choose another one. But we need to select all the malware links. Okay, the campaign for the exploit, which is the link already used to get the victim. So I choose so for this link as well, also already generated the report for this link. Also is a malicious activity have been done in this link. So we need to put this quote. If we not put this quote, okay, this double quote here, this quote, it will show the link that have been controlled by the malware. So we should not do that, because we do not want the malware links which looks like goods, okay, but it's not. Okay, so we need to find one by one. You can see here we have a list here. So we go to the next question. What are the HTTP MIME types listed on the tech cloud? So we go back to the security onion. Kibana. So there's MIME type. Okay, there's up. Scroll up. Here is HTTP MIME type, tag cloud. There's a text, HTML, image X icon, text plain, text JSON, text GIF, application JavaScript, application X short with Flash. So we take all the answer we put here, or we can capture. There we just capture this one. Yeah, we can put here. Can we? Oh no, maybe some other time. Okay, put it later. So that's all for the part 1. Okay, so we go directly to the part 2.